A pleasant day everyone, and welcome to Mastering the Differentiation Rules. My name is Roosevelt Dhane B. Napoleon,
and Ariel V. Noveda.
and today we'll explore the fundamental rules of differentiation in calculus, helping you understand and apply them with ease. Differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus that allows us to determine the rate of change of a function. In simple terms, it helps us find the slope of a curve at any given point. Let us go over the essential rules of differentiation, starting with the basics.
First, constant.
Let us tackle the constant rule. The constant rule suggests that if f of x is equals a constant, then f of x is equals to 0, as the derivative of a constant is always equals to 0. Now, let us tackle these problems right here. F of x is equals to 10, meaning f of prime is equals to 0, as 10 is a constant, meaning that it is equals to 0. Now let us do this one. F of prime is equals to 0, as the square root of 3 is a constant and is equals to 0.
Next is power.
Now let us solve the power rule. These are some problem questions that we are going to solve. Now, f of x is equals to x raised to the power of 3. Now, we multiply x by 3. X having 1 being multiplied by 3. Then x and 3 minus 1. Now 1 times 3 is 3. Then we just add together x 2. Now we got the answer. Now let us solve this one right here below. It is similar to the first one up top, and we just x times 7, x being 1 times 7, then we add x and 7, and the minus 1 is equals to 7x raised to the power of 6. Now we got our final answer.
Next is constant multiple rule.
Now, let us tackle the constant multiple rule. It is very similar to the power rule with you just taking the constant, which is 3 times the power of x, which is 7. Now, and x, 7 minus 1. And you just solve. 3 times 7 is 21. X, 7, 6, being the final answer being 21x by the power of 6.
Next is product rule.
Now let us tackle the product rule. First, we need to get the prime f f of prime of the given problem and the g of prime of it. Now the f of prime is 4. And the g of prime is 2, as these two are constant, and we just remove the x to get the derivatives of. And now let us solve. Y of prime and we just substitute on the given formula, and 2 with the g of prime plus 2x plus 5 and the f of prime, which is 4, and we just solve for it. 4 times 2, 4x times 2 is equals to 8x minus 6 plus 8x and 20. And we just combine like terms. And now we got our final answer, which is 16x plus 14.
Next is derivative of a sum or difference.
Let us tackle the derivative of a sum or difference. This is a sample problem we have here that we are going to solve with the derivative of a sum or difference. In this, we just get the derivative of every single one of here. 2x for 2 times 4x 4 minus 1 being 8x 3. Oh, we got the derivative of this one. Now 3x by the power of 3. It is 6x squared. Oh, 9, sorry. Now 2x squared. 2 times 2x 2 minus 1 is 4x. Since 2 minus 1 is 1, x1 being just x, then the 2x, we just remove the x with the derivative being just 2. Now let us write our answers here. Plus 4x, and the 1 we just remove because it is a constant. Now plus 2, and we got our final answer.
And lastly, quotient rule.
Let us tackle the quotient rule. By far, this will be the most difficult out of the 6. First, let us see the formula given here. Then, we take the derivatives of f of prime and g of prime. This one being prime. We take the derivatives of x squared plus 3, that is 2x. Then the derivative of g of x, the one on the bottom here, as shown in the formula, is 5. Now, let us substitute and follow the given formula. So we're gonna be h of prime equals to g of x, which is 5x plus 4, then f of prime, which is 2x, minus f of x, which is x squared plus 2, then multiply it by g of prime, which is 5, all over g of x squared, 5x plus 4 squared. Now let us compute. Multiplying these two will gonna be 10x squared plus 8x minus x2 times 5, which will be 5x squared. Then 3 times 5 is 50. Now let us distribute this negative to the right. It will be 10x plus 8x minus 5x squared minus 15 all over 5x And with that, we have reached the end of the video. To summarize, we have covered the essential differentiation rules, including the power rule, the quotient rule, the constant rule, sum and different rule, and the product rule. We have also solved some examples to see those rules in action. Thank you for watching, and once again, have a pleasant day.